Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to do a fridge organization video. So this is how the fridge looks, and this part broke because of the what is it called, the icing. You see, if it's too much it's difficult to open, so I need to clean this whole area. We have some milk there. Then this is teaspoon dough. We have some leftovers, and this is some concoction. I'll explain to you later. So see how dirty the fridge is. And then so here we have some lime. So this is soy sauce, more lime, vanilla essence. I don't know why it's there. So let's get to cleaning this whole area before we add more stuff. So guys, I've cleared everything in the fridge. So I will not be cleaning the freezer because there is food. So I've just cleaned the fridge. And here are the trays. So I'll clear all this. And I also have my groceries over here. And everything that's supposed to go back to the fridge. But first, let's clean all these trays.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with
So here we have ngwashes, sweet potatoes. Okay, we have sweet potatoes. We have lettuce, white onions. So these are 2, and I've just made salad. And then we have yam. So this is yam.
No, cassava.
Cassava.
Yeah.
Naitwa gekwa. Gekwa ni?
Hiyo ni mwanga.
Gekwa ni mwanga.
Hiyo ndio mwanga sasa.
Ngoja. Gekwa ni?
Cassava ni yam.
Gekwa ni yam.
Yeah.
Hii ni mwanga cassava.
Yeah.
So this is cassava. And then we have ripe tomatoes and unripe ones. Yeah, so we got ripe and unripe tomatoes, and then we have some onions here, and like there's so many. The limes are very, very many. So we have some red onions, that is ginger, and we had some. These were the only left tomatoes, and then some carrots. Chicken easy lime zote, all these. Yeah, but I'll be showing you how we'll store them. So these are carrots, and then these are the packets of milk I got from the fridge before cleaning. And then we have these garlic, the tiny ones, they're local. Yeah, these ones are the local ones. They are really, can't you see this one? Huh? Oh, this is the medicinal one. Okay. It's still garlic. May know these ones. So hii ndio mbegu moja. Yeah. And then these are the local ones, the small ones, and these ones too. So these are the medicinal ones, like you have had. And then we have some oranges over here. Hizi zimekuliwa tayari. And then we have a melon, and hizi ni gourgets. Na hizi ni cucumber. Yes. So I'll show you how we'll store whatever that's going to the fridge will go to the fridge, and whatever that's not going to the fridge, like the sweet potatoes will be cooked right now, will be boiled, and the cassava. Yeah, so that is it. So for the onions, this is how we store them. They just stay here as they're supposed to remain dry. I leave the watermelon here because I won't be storing it, because it will be eaten like probably today or tomorrow. So yeah, and I can't cut it and store it in the fridge because we don't eat cold fruits, or we don't put fruits in the fridge. Even for the oranges, I'll just get somewhere to place them, so I won't store them in the fridge. And for the fruits we buy weekly, so for the oranges hata zikikaa wiki moja ziko tu sawa. The watermelon too haitakatwa leo, probably tomorrow. So that is it. And then for the unripe tomatoes, I won't put them in the fridge. We don't put unripe tomatoes in the fridge. So for them too, I think I'll just create some space here. And this is how do you call it? Inuteo. I'll get the name for it and tell you here. So that is it. So you have the ginger, white onions, the red onions, and the unripe tomatoes. So for this, they'll be cooked. So we're about to boil the cassava and the sweet potatoes. So let me clean whatever's supposed to be cleaned and show you how I'll store them. Like that. And the lettuce, Shosh doesn't wash hers, so we just wrapped it like that, because ikiingia maji itaharibika haraka. So this is, I think, everything that will go to the fridge. So let me take you on a short tour. So we have our fruits here, and then the freezer, like I showed you. So it has githeri, mbaazi, ndengu, minji. Yeah, this is githeri mbaazi, and this is githeri yellow beans. And then I put milk over there. So these are the lime, and then we have the cucumbers and the gourgets over there, and then we have the lettuce, carrots, tomatoes, and the capsicum. So on this other side I put more lime, soy sauce and vanilla, and the rest of the fridge is empty. Yeah, so that is it. And you see how clean the fridge is compared to the other time. Oh, and there's something else I removed from the fridge. So I'll have to take it back. Oh, so that is it.